Okay everyone, here is the honest truth about how I quit my job thanks to YouTube. This is going to be an absolute banger video. I'm going to show you how I make on average $1,000 to $2,000 for every video I upload, even on brand new channels with less than 100 subscribers. This is going to be a fairly short video, but it's going to be packed with actionable steps that you can also do to start making money online in the shortest amount of time possible. And make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to be revealing a special strategy that I use to make a full-time passive income online, only working 1 to 2 hours a day. All right, so here is the #1 way that you can make money on YouTube, and even with a tiny channel and even with a brand new channel. It is not from building up a huge following and then waiting for Google to pay you with the AdSense. That's the main method that all these faceless YouTube channel gurus are teaching, but it takes sometimes months, even a year, to get a channel up to the point where it's making you enough money to even make it worthwhile. The way I do YouTube is primarily affiliate marketing, and it's really easy and basically anyone can do it. You can even make the content with AI, and I'm going to show you a tool that you can use and you can get started for free with that to make faceless YouTube videos that do exactly what my affiliate marketing videos do. So basically, have a look at the AdSense revenue for this video. So this is a video with not actually that many views. 15,000 views since it was published. You can see that the majority of these views happened within the first 3 months. These are like the first 90 to 100 days. And then the video has kind of flatlined. I made 214 Australian dollars from the ad revenue, which is pretty good for quite a short video. You can see here that the revenue per 1,000 clicks, the RPM, is $14. That's really good because the average for YouTube is $5 or $6. All I did in this video was make a very short review of an online software product called Opus Clip. It's like an AI tool that repurposes video content. I signed up for the free trial and I just did a quick review. So, I mean, based on this information alone, you could churn out 3 of these a day. And if you've got a monetized YouTube channel, you could be making $600 a day. I mean, it only took me about an hour to make that video. So it's quite an easy work day. If you made 2 or 3 videos in a day, probably half a day's work. Even a lot quicker if you use the AI tool I'm going to show you. But here is where the magic happens with my method. Basically what I do is in the video, I say, if you want to try out this tool, I've left a link in the description. Then I put a link to the affiliate program for that software tool. I'll also show you how to sign up in just a moment. From this video, I generated about under 2,000 clicks to the Opus Clip affiliate program, and you can see that in the past 2 years since I made that video, that has generated me $1,637 in affiliate commissions. So in Australian dollars, that's about 2.5 grand. So you'll see that I earned 200 from the video, but I earned 2.5 grand from the affiliate commissions. That's getting close to $3,000 for about an hour's work. And this is quite typical of a lot of the affiliate reviews that I do. A lot of them make anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 in affiliate revenue. If you knew that you were going to make $3,000 for 1 hour's work, would you figure out how to do it? I think I would. So a really way to find affiliate programs is just using ChatGPT, or if you've got Google Gemini, you can use either of those. I'm just going to type in, find me 20 affiliate programs. You don't even have to spell it right, in the AI software niche. And then ChatGPT is going to go and find a whole bunch of programs. And then what you're going to do is just grab any one of these and pop them into your browser and find the website they're talking about. And then you go to that website. So this is an AI tool for social media marketing. I'm not familiar with this one, but all you do is you scroll all the way down to the bottom and you find where it says affiliate program. You sign up for that affiliate program by clicking on the link. Most of these affiliate programs will auto approve you. Some of them require a day or 2 for the affiliate manager to have a look at your application, but the vast majority of them are really simple. Once you've signed up to the affiliate program, they'll give you your affiliate link. I save mine in a spreadsheet, and then all you have to do is make videos about that product and you'll start making money. I have made affiliate sales on a brand new YouTube channel that I started in the first 2 videos that I posted within 7 days of posting the videos. So finally, I promised to show you an AI tool that will create videos on your behalf. So if you're not comfortable jumping in front of a camera or making a screencast like this, you can actually have the videos made for you. But here is another hard truth. I have created YouTube channels using this tool, which is called InVideo. There are other tools similar to it, but I found this one just works the best and it's really easy to use. I honestly think it's just as quick for me to jump in front of a camera and talk than it is to create a video with one of these tools. So I just prefer, because I'm good at talking off the cuff, to just jump in front of a camera and make a quick video. But if you're not comfortable or you've got language barriers, you can basically just type in a prompt and it will create a video for you with a voiceover and stock footage. It can even create AI images for you. If we wanted to make a video about this AI powered social media software, I would just say make a review of this website. I'd pop it in there and say generate my video. I'm not going to go into a full InVideo tutorial in this video, but I do have another one that I've made, like a full how to use InVideo. So I will endeavor to pop the link to that video if you want to watch that after this one and learn how to use this tool to create the faceless videos. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching this video if you stayed this far. If you want a free PDF that I've put together that shows my blueprint for how I make well over $1,000 a day just posting videos to YouTube in a couple of hours work, just comment YouTube in this video and I'll make sure I send a link for you to get that free PDF. I also have a 3-hour video course that is quite cheap at the moment, where I actually go really in depth and give everyone like the exact methods, the exact tutorials. If you're interested in having a look at that course, there will also be a link in the description, okay? So thanks for watching. That's it. That's all I've got for you today. Make sure you like and subscribe while you're here, and I'll see you in the next video.